guys, February 9, 2024. Then I got a call from a lady. I put a furnace in. She said I put it in 9 years ago. It seems kind of hard to believe, but it was a hot air, 90% hot air gas furnace I swapped out for her. And put a hardwired carbon monoxide detector in there. And she said the thing's beeping every 33 seconds. So she looked it up on the paperwork, and I guess that indicates that the CO detector's at the end of its life. So I don't know if it has a battery backup or she said it was hardwired. So I might just disconnect it and put a battery one in there for her. She could change the batteries. I don't know what I have in the truck. We'll see. And I should clean the flame sensor while I'm there also. So I'm on my way over there and I got my CO detector and see if there's any CO in the house. She doesn't have no headaches or nothing, so I don't think that's an issue. It's a 90 plus gas furnace, so it's all sealed. So even if there was an issue with the unit, I mean, it's all sealed up pretty good. And the CO detector, I mean, unless it's like the water heater going woke on us, going wokey. Could be the water heater down there giving off CO. We'll figure it out. Yeah, so I might even have that one in the truck. I'm not sure. It is definitely hardwired. It keeps beeping.
Yeah, every 30 seconds.
Yeah, so this thing's been, wow.
9.
Wow, it's been 10 years.
10 years, yep.
Wow. Isn't that amazing, huh? Crazy. So we gotta clean the flame sensor, we gotta change this.
Yep.
Alright, let me see what I got in the truck. I don't think there's batteries in there, is it?
I don't think so. That's why I looked inside and I was like...
You looked inside and no batteries?
Yeah, but you're the one that installed it. You know that stuff. You want me to get you a better stool? Are you good?
No, actually, that's pretty good, actually. Should be able to just unplug the sucker and put another one in there or something. Let me see. I might even have one of these in the truck.
I know, but you got something that's...
Same thing.
Yeah.
Let me see. If not, I'll put a battery. I can put a battery operated one right here. What do you rather have? Huh?
That's easier for me because it...
That's what this does. This is a monitor. See, it says 0.
Okay.
See 0?
Yeah.
If it had any kind of reading on it.
Even without being plugged in or anything, right? It just...
Oh, no, that's a personal carbon monoxide detector, so... Here we go. Just disconnect the flipping thing. It does have batteries in it, though.
Yeah.
It does have battery backup. Maybe we just have to replace the batteries. You want to try that first?
I don't have those batteries.
Huh? It's just a 9D battery.
Yeah. I don't...
You rather just disconnect it and leave it off?
Yeah, because how do I get into there? You know what I mean? That's the thing.
Let me just add another one on the side there. We'll just disconnect it. And
yeah.
It's the batteries that are probably... Yeah, it's just a 9D battery. That's all it is. You want me to get one out of the truck and try it? Or you just rather... Let's just disconnect it. Let's just disconnect it and I'll put another one, alright?
That sounds better.
You don't need it. We'll
right.
put the other one. I just don't have it with me, so... This is just a carbon. It's not a smoke in a carbon. It's just a carbon. So I pulled the battery out, so it's not going to beep no more.
Okay.
We'll add another one. I mean, I'd rather see the other one anyway.
Right.
To be honest with you. So what are you doing? You got storage for everybody and their brother over here.
Oh yeah, and it's lots of medical stuff.
I'll just put
so one. This is my a lot of the stuff I have in my house.
Oh, what was that?
No, that's my uncle, who's now in a nursing home.
Oh, what's the matter with that? Is that his head?
Yeah.
You got no hair on there. Holy shit.
He's 97. Yeah.
Bald.
Well, he's in a nursing home now, but I had a clean out.
So you gotta clean all this shit out.
Oh yeah, I did. I did already.
Alright, so we know, at least we know we got no problems with the carbon monoxide, because we checked it, right, and it's 0, so, I mean, it's just a...
This was my dog.
It's been 10 years. Oh, okay. Is that a purebred?
Yep.
What kind was it?
Pitbull.
Pitbull. Wow. They're kind of scary.
Nah, look. This is with my uncle when he was younger.
Oh, he seemed pretty friendly then.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is going to go like this. And you just slide it up.
Okay, I got it.
So you don't miss working, huh?
No, because the kids, come on. They tell you where to go, how to do it, you know.
Oh, really?
You think that they were all like Stacy? Kids aren't like Stacy, you know.
Yeah, my kid is definitely wasn't a problem, huh?
No.
She was a good kid. That's one thing about her. She was a good person. She's
Well,
not
I'm sure she still is.
Yeah, she's still the same way. She's not.
Kind of shy.
Yeah, but that's okay.
Yeah.
Could be worse, right?
Oh yeah.
Could be a raving bitch.
Yes.
Right?
Right.
I think I'd rather take the shy one over the raving bitch any
yeah.
day. Wouldn't you?
Yeah.
When I put that furnace in, they wanted the hardwired carbon monoxide detectors.
Oh, they did.
Back then. In the electrical inspector wanted them. But now they changed it where you could use the battery operated ones as long as you're covered and it's a carbon monoxide detector, you're covered. So that's why we put that one in there. Back you know, they change shit as they go, right?
Right.
So there's nothing wrong with a battery operated one. You just change the batteries every so often. Every couple of years. You got to do that to your thermostat anyway, right?
That's right.
So let me show you how the batteries go. You can see the negative and the positive there.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Yep, that's the easy part.
The negative and the positive. And that one goes like that, and then this one's the positive. So this one goes like this. And then it just goes on and slides down. So you just slide it up.
Yep, and then slide it down.
I mean, how
so
easy
it doesn't even have a cover for the battery.
Nope, it's right in the back. And then
Perfect.
the instructions.
Good.
You want them here, or?
Yep.
Or you want them somewhere
I'll
else?
take it. Yeah, it's okay. I'm gonna put them in it. I know where to.
You want a little? Look at that bag. There you go. All right.
Perfect.
There you go. I'm just gonna clean the flame sensor on
Yes, that would be great.
4, huh? Usually after about 12 years or so, this should be replaced. 12, 14. If it starts leaking, is anything gonna get ruined down here?
Oh,
No.
my spring is gonna be cleaning this crap out.
What you should do is they have these little sensors that they put on the ground and they're like a little hockey puck.
Yep.
If they sense any water, they'll start screaming.
Oh.
That's what you want to get one of those.
Yeah.
Put it down beside here and put some batteries in it. And if it starts going off, then you know you got to change the water heater. Just call me and we'll change it. Let's not make things too difficult.
Nope, we don't like that.
Yeah, especially if they're swearing at you
Oh,
or something,
yeah.
you know. There's a flame sensor in here that's got to be clean. You can see it right here.
Was it not working?
No, just hang on a minute.
Everything's nice and tight. And...
There's the flame sensor. The igniter. Let's see how dirty it is. It ain't bad, but...
Well, clean it while you're there.
Yeah, while I'm here, I'm going to clean it. You must have took the tag off of here, huh? That was on here?
Probably.
Why?
I don't know.
This way I know what I did and what the date was, and
Well, we won't take the second one off.
you do change the filter.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, here's a flame sensor. That right there is what needs to be cleaned every couple of years. Well, the igniter was a little dirty. We cleaned that also. That was a bitch to get out, that one. That was a little different. All right. It should fire up now. It fired up before, but, you know. Unit's been good though?
Yeah. 10
No
years.
issues? You ever put any bleach down inside this?
No.
Yeah, I want you to do that every so often. Just get like a regular bleach.
Yeah, I have.
And get a funnel,
Yeah.
right? And just dump a half a gallon in there, and it'll mix with all that slime and it'll flush it out.
Really?
Yeah, because if not, you're gonna be replacing that. So every so often you should do that.
All right, good to know.
Like once every year, every couple of years. You could even dump a whole gallon, but just go slow. When it starts pumping, stop
Right.
filling, and then, you know, fill it some more. But you don't want to dump the whole gallon in there, and the pump can't keep up with the pour, and it floods.
Right, yeah, we don't want that.
You could either use vinegar, white vinegar,
Yeah.
or bleach.
Yeah, no worries, I got it.
Okay? All right, so we're running here.
I got that.
Oh, you got both.
I do.
Yeah, whatever's cheaper. Probably the vinegar, huh? Is the vinegar cheaper? Yeah. You can see it's getting a little gnarly in there.
All right, I got you.
You got a funnel? Or you want me to get one out of the truck?
I got one in the shed.
All right, let me get one out of the truck. And we'll do it right now, okay?
All right.
While I'm here. Just for shits and giggles.
Yep.
You want to go with the bleach?
What do you think?
I think the vinegar is just as good.
Really?
Either way, yeah. Let me get a funnel.
Whatever's more effective.
Whichever one's cheaper.
Oh, it doesn't matter about
You're
that.
big into that. You're big into that saving money shit. I assume, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Whatever's cheaper.
Okay.
That's my motto.
Smells like a salad.
Yeah. So you want to put it in there, but you don't want to.
Then what does this actually do?
It's gonna mix with the water. It's gonna pump out.
Okay,
Whoa.
it's coming. Whoa.
And the way it's not working. It is pumping.
Okay.
Just quiet.
Yeah.
Can't hear it because of the furnace.
My handy dandy rags.
Yeah, it's pumping, but it's pumping slow.
Okay.
Well, it gets slimy in there, you know, because what happens is the flipping. It gets slimy in there and it starts pumping slowly. That's why you got to add the vinegar to it to clean it out, right?
Yeah, it's already
Clean the
down.
slime.
Good.
Keep the slime down.
So that's enough for now?
Well, I'm letting it pump down. I'll put a little bit more in it.
Yep. Goes down fast.
Not pumping. It's pumping slow, but it is pumping. I could put it in that other pipe too if I wanted. I got it.
Okay.
Yeah, so what's happening is this is just gonna get in there and try to take some of that slime the hell out of there. She's definitely pumping better now. I can see it. down in the funnel
Good.
there. It's going down. I'm gonna do the whole jar, okay?
Yeah.
She's getting up there, but she's definitely giving it a good flush, you know?
It's certainly going down though. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what we want. We want to give it a good... I mean, you could take it apart and clean it out outside, but this is easier. You put a whole gallon in there, right?
Perfect.
Yeah. And that's what you want to do every so often, maybe every couple of years.
Yeah.
It's pumping, but like they said, you know, it's going down slowly. That's why you want to add that stuff in there every so often and give it a good...
Mm-hmm.
Just to keep the slime level down, right?
Yep.
Clean flame sensor and add new CO detector.